brain. Loving you is something strange. So strange. Don't get me wrong, I ain't complaining. I've been thinking about.
So beautiful people, and welcome back to This Is Me's channel. Okay, so this is inspired by CIARA. Okay, so guys, first of all, I came across a picture on Instagram. Was it on Instagram or on Coco? So I was like, I have to try to recreate something like this. And then I have some people that I'm following on YouTube. Of course, they were trying to recreate the same hairstyle, guys, and a lot of them, I have watched their videos. They have a full head of hair, guys, but with me, my own case is that I have like hair only on the middle parts of my hair because I shaved the side of my hair, Mohawk. So I was not even expecting to come this close. I was not expecting to come this close, but thankfully here we are. So guys, watch this video till the end. Please make sure to click that subscribe button. Do not skip, please. Click subscribe button, then wait for some seconds, then click on the bell notification so that every time I upload something, you will not need to come back and search my YouTube name. You will be notified. Okay, so you will watch my videos. Okay guys, so okay, so let me show you how much hair I have on me. Shave sides are really tiny, so hopefully I will achieve it. Let's get into it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to wet my hair, not wet it completely, just dampen it a little bit. So I'm gonna do that by using the water that I have on the spray bottle. This is my makeup fix spray bottle. So I kept it aside because I knew I would need something like a spray bottle, you know, some days like this. So I'm gonna use some of the water that I have here, just spray some of them. I'm not gonna wet my hair completely, like I said before. I'm just gonna dampen it a little. That's enough. After dampening my hair, I'll try to brush it out a little bit just to make sure that the water touches every strand of hair that I have on me. Then I'll part the hair into two equal sections, just to make sure that both sides are equal because I do not have much hair on me, guys. So I'm just going to make sure that both sides are equal. This is going to enable me to apply my gel easily, as well as my edge control, guys. Then once I'm done applying gel and my edge control, I'll try to create baby hair to the front part of my hair. Then I'll wait for my hair to dry completely, then I'll be back to continue, guys. Please do not forget to hit the like button. Subscribe, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel already. Subscribe, please, and share this video with your friends and family. Please do not forget to leave a comment on the comment section below. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Okay, so please do not skip this video and do not forget to share. Okay, I am back to continue. For my puffs, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but we're gonna try it anyways. Well, if you are interested to recreate this type of hairstyle and you are wondering where can I get a ponytail, a drawstring ponytail, if you can't get it online and you can't get it in any nearby store, you can make one for yourself. So I'm going to show you guys a video of how I make my own drawstring ponytail, like the one that I have here. I don't know how this one is going to turn out, guys, because this one, the way I feel it, it's not heavy. It's not heavy. I just want to try. I don't know if it's going to turn out like what I see in that picture. Okay, so if you want to create your own, if you want to make yourself a drawstring ponytail, check out that video. Make sure to check out the description box for the link, or I'm gonna suggest that video so that you check out that video, okay, and see how you can make your own drawstring ponytail for yourself. Okay, so I make two this time, one here, one here. You guys can see I have a thread on both sides, which I'm gonna use to, you know, adjust, you know, to tie it so that it will be secure on my head. Okay, so let's do it. Really, neighbors, because this one is really fluffy, so I'm gonna take it and just try. Please don't do this to me now. Okay, so I'm gonna take that and use it to wrap it around the ponytail. On the other side as well, I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, I already secured that to this side, so I'm going to try to arrange it and make sure that it stays round and not messy somehow. And I think I'm going to add some bobby pins. I don't know how much of a bobby pin I need, but I'm just gonna try and see how much I can add. Now I will take some of this hair, try to wrap it around. I don't know if I'm gonna walk around with bobby pins showing on this hair. I do not want that to happen. So let me see. Pretty much, I really like this side so far. I did not even expect it to be this cute. So I am just gonna, maybe I will do a little bit of a tuck in, you know, just arrange it a little bit, and then I'll continue with the other side, and I'll be back to show you guys what I've got. Pose 1, pose 2, pose 3, pose 4. Woo! I am so excited, super excited, guys. I am super excited because I never thought that this drawstring ponytail that I made for myself was gonna help me achieve this much. This is amazing. I am loving this, guys. Woo! Okay, let me try to pose like her on the picture. Was it like this? Was it like this? I'm confused. How was it like? How is the pose like? I never thought that I would come this far, guys. And for the dress, do not laugh. Do not laugh, because I do not have anything that looks like what she was wearing. So I decided to make something for myself that looks like what she was wearing. This on me is my leggings, okay? I do not have a top that looks like what she had in that picture. Okay, you can see that I tie it to the back like this. So these are the legs. Oh, don't laugh if the back of the hair looks horrible, okay? Do not laugh. So let me open it so you guys can see if you do not believe that this is my leggings, okay? Simple as that, okay? Please make sure to click that subscribe button. Do not skip, please. Click subscribe button.